Well, hi. Are you an engineer looking for a leadership role, or are you a current engineering manager looking for a new opportunity? We have a new opportunity in the Dallas-Fort Worth area working with a T&D engineering and consulting firm that is looking for a person to manage a group of engineers doing power system studies. So they're looking for someone with at least 5 years experience, someone with a PE license, preferably in Texas, and someone who's eager to grow and build out a team. This is an organization that has large plans for growth here in the next year and several years to come. So if this is you and you have that sort of experience and background looking for a new challenge and an exciting opportunity, then please send your resume or referrals to mike@globaltalentnow.com. Thank you and take care.